In today's video, I'm going to show you how to understand your sequence's sender score in HubSpot and what it actually means for your email performance. If you're using HubSpot sequences for sales outreach, this score is extremely important because it directly reflects your email deliverability and engagement health. Knowing how to read it properly can help you avoid spam issues, improve inbox placement, and ultimately get more replies. Make sure to watch until the end so you fully understand what each score range means and what actions you should take. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the left-hand menu bar, go to Sales, and then click on Sequences. This will take you to the main Sequences dashboard, where you can see all the sequences you've created or have access to. Here you'll find performance data for each sequence, including enrollment numbers and engagement metrics. Next, click on the name of the specific sequence you want to review. Once you're inside that sequence, you'll be able to see detailed analytics, including your sender score. This score is designed to give you a quick snapshot of how healthy your outreach emails are performing in terms of deliverability and engagement. Now let's talk about what the sender score actually represents. Your sender score is a combination of insights and email engagement metrics. HubSpot analyzes factors like open rates, reply rates, bounce rates, spam complaints, and overall engagement trends. It then generates a score between 0 and 100 to indicate how well your emails are performing and whether your sending reputation is strong or at risk. If your score is between 80 and 100, that's considered excellent. This means you have high deliverability and strong engagement. Your emails are consistently landing in inboxes rather than spam folders, and your audience is interacting with your content. If you're in this range, keep doing what you're doing. Maintain good targeting, personalize your emails, and avoid dramatically increasing your send volume too quickly. Staying consistent is key. If your score falls between 50 and 79, this means needs improvement. In this range, engagement may be dropping or deliverability may be inconsistent. You might notice lower open rates or fewer replies than expected. This is a sign that you should review your targeting. Make sure you're emailing the right contacts. Double-check your email copy to ensure it's personalized and relevant. Also evaluate your send frequency. Sending too many emails in a short period of time can hurt engagement and impact your sender reputation. Finally, if your score is between 0 and 49, this means at risk. This is the danger zone. A low score often indicates high bounce rates, low opens, spam complaints, or negative engagement signals. Inbox placement may already be suffering, and if no action is taken, your sending ability could be restricted. If you're in this range, immediate changes are necessary. Clean your contact lists, remove unengaged contacts, verify email addresses, reduce sending volume, and improve your messaging quality. It's critical to fix these issues quickly to protect your domain reputation. Understanding your sender score allows you to be proactive instead of reactive. Rather than waiting for major deliverability problems, you can monitor this score regularly and make adjustments before things escalate. Make it a habit to check your sequence's performance and optimize based on what the data is telling you. And that's it. That's how you find and understand your sequence's sender score in HubSpot and what each score range means for your outreach performance. If this video helped you understand your HubSpot metrics better, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple, step-by-step HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.